They're higher level than me. No.
So if you want to go for the bottom beacon? I'm up. I can just go for the top beacon, guys, if you want to hold them there. Oh no, they're hurting.
I'm running.
I'm at the top beacon.
It's coming! Let the pain speak to me. Listen closely. I ain't talking! My dreaming ends. That's not right.
Hope the Alexa's making creepy sounds.
Hello.
Well, that was anticlimactic.
Before he gets into his spawn.
2,
No,
1.
not quite. Oh, they're pushing. Oh, sorry. Here I am.
2, 1.
Boop. Oh, missed.
Damn it!
Hero slain.
Genji's up to the right there.
Genji, on the point.
I see him. Oh, he's okay. He can come back up. Oh,
How you,
nice.
how you don't?
I'm really tempted to whittle a spoon.
Not enough mana.
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no.
I think it ignores unfollows and refollows. This isn't working. Can anyone see their mercy?
Our last High Chieftain, Ulan, tried to stop him and was slain. Mela may have picked up her father's totem, but she is not High Chieftain yet. Dargrul didn't just steal a hammer. He shattered our people, driving a wedge